All my bikes are old, but these are the two that I mainly ride. The BMW R1100RT and the Harley Davidson Road Glide. Both of these bikes are over 20 years old. The BMW R1100RT is a 2000, which is 25 years old, and the Harley Road Glide is a 2005, which is 20 years old. This bike here is probably the newest of my old bikes, and this is a 2007 Honda VTX 1300C, which I put a bag of kit on a while back. I still have the bike, but I rarely ride it. And I have this bike, my 2005 Harley Sportster 1200C, that I put together from frame up during COVID. Another bike that I haven't been riding lately. And this is my last bike, which is my fifth bike. This is a 2000, or is it a, no, I think it's a 1999. I done forgot what year it is. Let me see. What is this? Okay, it's a 1999. This is a 1999 Kawasaki ZX750p, which I have yet to repair. I was going to part it out, but I decided I'm going to fix it because I rarely see these bikes anymore on the road, at least not in my area. So I'm going to fix this over the winter. But these here are my main bikes, the bikes that I do most of my riding on. But out of the two, the one I prefer the most, and I hate to say this, still is this bike here, the BMW R1100RT. Now, why do I like this bike so much? First off, it's way faster than my Harley. Yeah, I know the Harley is an 88 twin cam and it doesn't have that much power, but this bike is like night and day, you know, when it comes to power. Number two, this bike is more comfortable. The seating position is more comfortable and it rides a whole lot smoother. Number three, it's quiet. Even though I put new baffles in my Harley exhaust, it's still loud compared to this bike. This bike is quiet, smooth, and powerful. The plus that I get from the Harley is maybe it looks a lot better. It's a better looking bike. It's more stylish. And you know, here in America and up here in New Jersey, people are big fans of Harley Davidson. Even though it don't compare, it doesn't compare at all to the BMW. And when I say at all, I mean at all. I know looks can be suggestive when it comes to bikes, and people may prefer the way the Harley looks over the BMW. But all around, if you want a rider that'll get you places with no problems, no headache, not your teeth shaking out your mouth, that's the BMW. I hate to say it. I know a lot of people ain't gonna like that, but it's the truth. Both of these are old bikes, and maybe the new Harley is better than the new BMW, which I really doubt. But they both are reliable for what they are. The BMW is a little bit more reliable. They both are easy to fix. They both, well, I get a lot of different responses when I ride either bike. Some people really like the BMW, and a lot of people really like the Road Glide. But all in all, I prefer riding the BMW R1100. The VTX, it looks better probably than both those other two bikes, and it's newer than both of the other bikes, than all the bikes. But something about the VTX, it rides good, it rides pretty smooth, it has decent power. It can't keep up with the BMW, but it's reliable. That's one thing. It's probably more reliable than the Harley Davidson. But I don't know, I just don't really like riding this bike that much anymore. I used to like riding it, but ever since I got that BMW, I like that bike more than all of the bikes. This Sportster is cool because this was my very first Harley, and I put it together during the pandemic. This bike is pretty fast though, you know, probably, I don't know if it's not faster than the BMW, but off the line it'll keep up with it, but the BMW will blow it out the water when it comes to speed. This bike looks cool. It's a cool looking bike and it rides good, but I still prefer that R1100RT. Maybe one day I'll buy a new bike, but I can't see paying over $20,000 for a bike when I can buy one, you know, for a couple of $1,000s or even a couple of $100s and put a little elbow grease in it, and I have a bike that can run and take me anywhere I want to go, minus the debt. So I'm getting close to retirement. Maybe when I retire, I might treat myself to a new bike. I don't know if it'll be a new Harley, but a new BMW is high up in my considerations. But this is just a short video of I'm just giving you my 2 cents on my my old bike, my little collection of bikes I have. All my bikes are old, but all my bikes are cool. So until next time, I'm out.